We're live.
What's up, metalheads? Welcome to another fun-filled match of Full Metal Trivia, where the philosophy is there's only one player to rule them all. I am Villarreal Jr., the Red Ranger. I know you were expecting him, but I am Chambless Ellison, and Renee had some personal business, so he wasn't able to host tonight, but hey, we committed to a match, and we're still going to bring it to you. Co-hosting tonight with me, running our stream, our line producer, the Canadian Nightmare, Mark Boric. Mark, how you doing, buddy?
Pretty good, and let's also not forget Master of Porgs.
Master of Porgs. Canadian Nightmare and Master of Porgs. That'll be at the official title. We have three hosts, but it's only two of us tonight, so let's get into this docket. We have some returning vets, some newbies. Let's get into it. First of all, making his Full Metal debut, you may recognize him from movie Battleground. It's Aaron Connole. Aaron, first of all, did I pronounce that right? Second of all, how you doing, buddy?
Close enough. At least you didn't say the E.
Connole.
And I'm doing good. Be here. This is like the 100th thing I've done relating to movies on the internet. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
Hey, you and me both, buddy. Like I'm everywhere now. Making his return, he's 0-2 right now, mostly because he picked Disney in his first match. We have the dude himself, Andrew Hayes. Andrew, got any words for your opponents?
I know my Disney. I did get Cernabog, if my memory serves me correctly. But
I think you did. Right on. Also here, also making his return. He's had one of the most, I'll say, one of the most stellar debuts we've had here at Full Metal Trivia. It's the Joker himself, Brian Fernandez. Brian, what's up, bud?
I am doing very, very well. I really enjoyed that first matchup, and I really have to thank you guys for inviting me to come on. And I cannot wait to kick all these MFers' ass right here, especially Aaron Connole. It's pronounced it right. You got to pronounce it right, Connole.
Cannoli. I know it's Cannole, so I'm not gonna do that to Aaron just because ground wins, so I can't hold anything against it.
I still love
you. Also here making his return is the Hurricane himself, Cain McMillan. Cain, what's up?
Not much. I aced I feel like I aced an exam this morning, so this day just can't go bad. I feel.
Exactly. Like, hey, it can only go up from here, man.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Also, once again, I see like everybody on this panel, but it's just these four making his return. The Hitman, you may recognize from Schmoes Bros. Hunter, the Hitman Chambless. Hunter, what's up?
How's it going, everybody? What's up, Darn Nation? I have invaded Full Metal Trivia.
Yeah, you're gonna be on my show for once. How about that?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Okay. Also making his debut. You may recognize him from Battleground. Pretty sure he was on There Will Be Trivia. I think I played him in There Will Be Trivia, actually.
We did play.
Linus Babbcock. Linus.
Yeah,
what's up?
There's a little bit of movie Battleground Civil War here with Aaron and Andrew. If you know me, I might got a few Muppet tricks up my sleeve, so you'll see. I'm excited to debut in this league.
I don't want to know what a Muppet trick is.
That is if there is no more questions.
What are you hiding up your sleeve? Where's Kermit?
I ain't wearing a mask.
Kermit the Frog is here. So, yeah.
There's actually someone under him holding his arms.
And finally,
You might be right on that one.
finally, making his debut. Culler, Matt. Excited to be here, man?
Yeah, it's good to be here. I'm looking forward to it.
Wow!
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna have to keep it down. Shut up. Since we have no more questions, we're just gonna get, and we're gonna get into them right now. All right, so round one basically goes like this: you're each gonna get the same questions from 8 predetermined categories. You will all answer via whiteboard, and you will verbalize your answer as you show it to us. Now, be warned: the player in the lead will get an advantage going into round 2. The 2 players in the bottom will be eliminated. Nobody has any more questions? I'm ready. let's get into this match and find out who was the one player to rule them all. No one's here taking it away, so I'm doing the round one questions myself. All right, question one. In the category of comedy, what instrument does Ron Burgundy play at jazz clubs in Anchorman? Hey, Mark, you know, I don't know about you.
You were cutting out there hardcore there. All I just hey Mark.
I heard
Mark.
someone say repeat.
Me.
Question one. What instrument does Ron Burgundy play at jazz clubs in Anchorman? Mark, do you got time and score? Or do you want me to do time?
I'm timing. I got time and score.
Okay, cool. Cool.
All right.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Markers down.
All right, starting.
Let's go with Aaron.
Starting from my left. Yeah.
We'll go with Aaron.
I don't have it. I don't have it.
Andrew?
Okay. Andrew.
That would be the lute.
Correct. Brian.
I have a jazz flute.
That is correct.
Ken.
I didn't have it.
Oh, come on.
Me?
Yep.
I put clarinet, so I'm completely wrong.
Close.
Linus?
Jazz flute.
Correct.
Question mark?
Yeah, there was
Question
a question
mark.
mark.
Jazz flute question mark. Come in, damn it.
I also had jazz flute.
I didn't know if it was a jazz flute or a flute, so that's why the question mark was there.
We would have said that either. You could have just said flute.
Yeah, the only people who got points there were Andrew, Brian, and Matt, and Linus.
All right.
All right. Question two in the category of Disney. What
Fucking
1991 live-action Disney film starred Ethan Hawke and a wolf?
Oh, shit.
I thought exactly, Brian.
Oh, shit.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah, please.
What 1991 live-action Disney film starred Ethan Hawke
And a wolf.
You ever starred alongside a wolf, Mark?
A couple of times. He introduced me to the
That's not to
pack,
be expected. You are Canadian, after all.
and I love the night. And it's the night. 5, 4,
I'm pulling this out of my ass.
1.
Fucking A.
Markers down.
All right. Once again, Aaron.
I see.
Right. White Fang.
Aaron? White Fang? That's correct.
Okay.
Good job.
Aaron. I mean, Andrew. Andrew.
I didn't have it.
Shh.
Ryan.
White Fang?
Correct.
Holy shit! I pulled that out of my ass. I swear to God.
Cain.
That was a good
Oh,
movie.
George of the Jungle.
The fuck?
Good guess, but no. Hunter.
Didn't get it.
Linus.
I said Dances with Wolves 2.
A Disney
Very
picture.
early Disney sequels, but no, that's incorrect.
And Matt.
Worth a try.
I mixed it up.
Wait, you
I
had
said
it,
a cry in the wild.
Oh, no.
I said a cry in the wild. I mixed it up.
All right. That was a hard question. I'll give you guys that one.
I actually liked that movie. I remember watching it when I was a kid.
I wasn't
I
alive
just
in the
didn't know if that was made by
90s.
Disney or not.
That's depressing. All right, question 3 in the category of drama.
Okay.
14's Nightcrawler takes place in what U.S. city?
Can you
Can't
repeat
beat
that,
that.
please? You cut out.
Yeah,
Yeah. 2014's Nightcrawler takes place in what U.S. city? You know, when you ask me a question about U.S. cities, it's a lot easier than you might think. 4 answers.
Unfortunately, chance your Wi-Fi is like way behind.
Yeah, I know. It's a problem I have for some reason.
Like I see the picture, then like 5 seconds later, I hear the sound.
It's kind of like kung fu movie editing.
A Godzilla movie.
Exactly.
5,
Oh,
4,
shit.
3, 2, 1. Markers down. Let's go with Aaron.
All right, Aaron. Correct. Andrew.
Stop making me think harder than I have to.
I put Los Angeles. I don't know if you could see it, but
Okay, we believe you. He's there.
I see it.
Brian.
Brian?
I pulled it out last second. Los Angeles.
Correct. Cain.
Never seen it. I guess Baltimore.
Okay. Hunter.
Los Angeles.
Linus.
I said San Francisco.
You
It's in
had
Los
the right
Angeles.
state.
I've never.
You had the
seen
right
it.
state.
I didn't see it either, so
I love that movie.
And Matt.
Los Angeles.
It's a U.S. city question. It's always 1 of 4. It's either L.A., New York, Boston, or Miami, or Chicago.
Yeah.
or Miami. Hey.
Question 4 in the category of actors and actresses.
Okay.
Who starred in the films He Said, She Said, The Woodsman?
can you say that again, please?
You
Yeah,
cut
I got
out.
it.
Yeah, you cut out, dude. Holy shit.
All right. Who starred in He Said, She Said, The Woodsman, and Cop Car?
Are you looking for like the main actor or actress?
The actor who stars in all 3 of those movies. That's who we're looking for. It's only one person.
Okay. All right. I'm totally
I
pulling.
can literally.
I'm pulling a
My
fucking
answer is
Josh
literally the
McCougar right
one
now.
person I can think of.
I'm pulling a fucking Josh McCougar on this, man. Holy shit.
I haven't learned the process and the testing. It's okay.
Right. 5, 4, 3,
There's still
2.
Don't do our count. Don't do our count.
4,
Well,
3.
really? Now you do the countdown. Okay, perfect.
Oh, you were like 3 seconds ahead of me.
Exactly. Well, Brian, don't tell us how to run our game.
Fucking A. All right, whatever.
Aaron.
I said Kevin Bacon.
Aaron.
Cool.
I also put Kevin Bacon.
Brian.
I put Kevin Bacon.
Cain.
I have never heard of any of those movies, so I guess Dustin Hoffman.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Hunter.
I didn't put anything.
nope.
And Matt.
Kevin Bacon.
Let me ask y'all, was Cop Car the giveaway?
Yes,
Cop
it
Car
was.
is the only movie I'd heard of, and he's the only actor I can name in that movie.
And Cop Car
I
is
didn't
not
know
a
that.
classic.
If you would have said Tremors, I would have been like, ha, got it.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, Cop Car was indeed the giveaway for me.
Yeah,
Cop Car
that was me too. All right, question 5. Eating establishment is Scott fired from in Batman? I'm sorry, not Batman. Ant-Man.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Batman.
Wait, can you repeat that again, please?
What establishment was Scott Lang fired from in Ant-Man?
I know this one.
Congrats, Linus.
You had the round 1 just in case, Mark?
No, I don't.
Let me forward them to you real quick.
I know. I've only got round 1. Or sorry, round 2.
Round 2, so that
He's
counts.
Getting 2.
Yeah, round 2.
Just in case. Set my modem, because I didn't count on doing this. But hey, here we are. We got to roll with the punches.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down. Let's go with Aaron.
Robbins.
Baskin Robbins always knows, and that is correct.
I spelled this 110% wrong, but I also put Baskin Robbins.
Yeah,
Did,
okay,
but that we'll take it.
Andrew, you're holding your paper up a little too high. We can't see it on the camera.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Brian.
I pulled this one out of my ass, Baskin Robbins.
Got to be clean because you keep pulling things out of it. Hey.
I have never seen the movie. I swear to God, I never saw the fucking movie.
Oh, God damn it.
I just remember seeing the trailer for it, so.
Cain?
Yeah.
Baskin Robbins.
Correct.
Correct. Hunter.
Baskin Robbins.
Yeah, always know. Linus.
I missed it. I thought I had it, but I didn't get it.
Same.
Oh, Linus.
I put Dunkin'. I know. Yeah.
Baskin Robbins.
Dunkin' Donuts.
I thought
Dunkin' Donuts always
I know.
I
know it's. I literally.
To be fair.
I don't know.
Baskin Robbins is correct.
That does have Baskin
Holy
Robbins.
shit. Okay.
Where you
All right.
find a Baskin Robbins, there's usually a Dunkin' Donuts attached to it. So.
I know it's Baskin Robbins now. I
That's very true.
When I pictured that.
All right, question 6. Action adventure. In 1992's Patriot Games, Harrison Ford faces off against what real-life terrorist group?
The question?
Yeah. Okay. In 1992's Patriot Games, Harrison Ford faces off against what real-life terrorist group?
Five.
I once faced off against a terrorist group.
3. My info on that is classified. 2. 1. Markers down.
All right, Aaron.
The IRA.
Andrew.
I completely guessed, and I put Al Qaeda.
Al Qaeda.
What?
I get mad at you, but I did the same thing. Brian.
IRA?
Correct. Cain.
I did the same thing. I put Al Qaeda.
Hunter. I feel like I know what you put.
I put the same thing. Al Qaeda.
Put Al Qaeda. Linus.
Al Qaeda.
Fucking A, dude.
It's starting to.
Well, I guess since he beat the IRA.
Oh
I
shit.
mean, the majority said Al Qaeda. So
Yeah,
So
so
I
maybe
think
we
Al
could
Qaeda
try a
would be
different
the right
movie.
answer.
Al Qaeda, guys.
Okay, you're right, okay.
Guys, that's the next Jack Ryan.
That's the next chapter.
Okay.
That's the next one.
That's true.
Chance.
Clearly, Al Qaeda has to be
Chance,
the
what
next
year
one.
did Patriots games come out in?
1992.
Oh. So this whole makes no sense.
Yeah, exactly.
I knew it didn't
Al
make
Qaeda doesn't
sense.
make any sense, but it's all you can pull.
Fucking
All right. Question 7 in the category of sports films.
Fuck.
Sport is depicted in the 2007 film Pride, starring Terrence Howard.
Can you repeat
Can
that?
you repeat that, please?
What 2007 film? Pride. Sorry, can you repeat that, Chance? I'm
Yes.
I don't have the questions. I'm trying to help out.
I sent them to you. Sport is depicted in the 2007 film Pride, starring Terrence Howard.
I still don't get that.
What 2007 Olympic sport was featured in the film Pride?
Yes.
Question mark, you should have them.
Did you send them to me now?
Yes,
okay,
I did.
Okay, no. I just didn't hear that. The ding go off. I'm sorry.
Your story, yeah. He's Canadian.
Yeah. He knows what it's all about.
4, 3. You guys are going to have horrible nightmares tonight, by the way.
We love you too. We love you too. We love you too.
Markers down. Let's go there.
Aaron.
it swimming?
Correct.
That's correct.
I got it wrong. I put running.
Andrew. Brian.
Swimming.
Damn. I think that's. Oh wait, one more question. Cain.
I wrote running as well.
Hunter.
I put track.
Linus.
For some reason, I almost wrote horse riding, but I put swimming.
Good job.
Correct. And Matt.
We'll have swimming.
Good job.
All right.
Horse riding an Olympic sport?
That's what I didn't hear Olympic.
Horse riding is not an Olympic sport.
When you
It
hear
is
pride,
not
it sounds
Olympic.
like a horse. I know. I didn't hear it at first, but when you hear
Like a-
pride,
Fernandez.
it does sound like a horse movie.
How the fuck?
All right. Your last question.
How does pride
Your
sound like a
last question.
swimming
The
movie?
category of classics.
So,
What
I
What
got two at least.
1970 war comedy starring Donald Sutherland was adapted into a TV show starring Alan
Oh.
Alda?
oh,
Yeah, like it's kind of
I
giving.
know this one. Yay!
Wait, can you repeat it for a second?
I got it. What 1970s war comedy starring Donald Sutherland was adapted for TV? My phone's starring Alan Alda.
Great movie and a great show. If I do say so myself.
You said 1970s comedy?
War comedy
War comedy, okay.
starring Donald Sutherland was adapted into a TV show starring
comedy.
Alan Alda. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm pulling this one out of my ass because I remembered my grandmother showing me this fucking movie.
Okay, stop pulling stuff out of your ass, for one thing.
I think maybe
What
you
the
just
fuck?
know the answer,
You're not gonna be
Brian.
able to put much in there.
No, it's
Maybe you just know it.
His ass has been pretty
Markers
reliable.
You
down.
have to know it at some point.
I
Aaron.
probably do, man.
You
I
said
probably
that for
do.
every
But it's like so clouded up with like different shit, man. Fuck.
I
Mash.
thought that term
Mash. The
before
answer is
said-
Mash is correct. Mash is correct.
Ah, fuck.
Andrew.
Andrew.
My dad would 100% disown me if I got this wrong. The answer is MASH.
Correct. Brian.
Okay, I did not pull it out of my ass. I put fucking Kelly's Heroes. God damn it.
Oh shit! Wow,
Brian.
first miss of the game.
Ah,
Game.
fuck.
Mash.
4. Kane's right.
Mash.
Linus
Mash.
and Matt.
He got math.
Mash.
Yeah.
Matt. Oh, you got it. Okay, cool.
Okay. At the end of round 1.
Mark, what are our scores?
After round 1, currently tied with 7 is Aaron, Brian, and Matt. They all are, of
shit.
course, moving on to round 1 or round 2. Sorry about that.
Thank God.
You get to
Fucking
do that
A.
again? Sweet.
Andrews has 6 points. Hunter and Linus are tied for 3 points, and unfortunately, Cain, you have 2.
Okay,
So,
so
how does-
Kane's limited no matter what.
Yeah.
How does that work?
And now
So-
on to our tiebreaker.
Yeah, so we're going to have to do a tiebreaker for Hunter and Linus to see
I
who
wouldn't be
moves
here
on.
if I pulled Baskin Robbins like I should have. But
All right, so here we go. Aaron, we're gonna ask you to pick Rotten Tomatoes or box office.
be nice, Aaron. Actually, none of those are great. I don't know how you could be nice.
Nice.
Yeah. I don't know.
Box office.
Oh fuck. Okay.
I mean, I guess we
So-
can both get it wrong.
Oh, it's not about getting it wrong.
True.
We're gonna have you try to guess the box office of a certain film. Whoever is closest will move on.
All right.
Film.
Wait,
You
wait.
want-
It's between who?
Hunter.
Linus and Hunter.
Between Linus and Hunter.
Hunter and Linus.
Oh, between Linus and Hunter. Okay, okay. Oh shit! I thought we had to like answer it too. I was gonna be like, oh crap. Really?
Brian.
It's just them two.
Hey,
Okay.
Brian, you can be in on it if you want to be eliminated.
All right,
That
so
works for me.
Fuck off, Andrew. Fuck off. Piece of
we
shit.
will ask you, if you can, do the international box office of Inception.
So it's the closest, right?
Whoever gets closest wins.
God have mercy on your souls.
Now I want to look up the real number and see what it is.
Already have it up, Aaron. One step ahead of you.
I imagine I just don't know the answer. That's why. Let's see. Huh. Respectable.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down.
All right, we'll go to Hunter first.
I said 110 million.
Linus.
Wait, what was the question?
What was the international box office of Inception?
I said
Box
800 million.
This was the question.
800 million.
It is the live wire. Linus Babbcock, the international box office was $825.5 million.
Because he said
Damn.
110.
He was real close. He was real close.
Yeah.
God
That was
Good
damn.
job.
And to be honest, I was thinking
Inception's one of my favorite movies.
International.
I knew that one.
Well, Hunter, Cain, you guys put a valiant efforts. Thank you for playing, and you guys are welcome to watch the rest of the.
You don't gotta
movie.
sugarcoat.
Oh man, I gotta head out. Thank you for inviting me on, and I'll see you guys later.
Hasta la huevos.
Peace, dude.
Take care, man.
Okay, let's do
Alright.
round.
Elvis has left the building.
So here's how round 2 is gonna work. Each of you pick a number, and then we're gonna have one randomly selected. Picked. You get to pick the category for round 2.
Ooh.
Now, at the end of all the picking, there will be one outlier. If it lands on that, you guys will be forced to take our secret category. To
That's a fun
Aaron
one.
first. Aaron, you are in the lead. Pick a second number. So give me 2 numbers from 1 through 9.
We have a tie for first place, by the way.
Yeah.
Got it.
So I'm gonna go with 3 and 5.
3 and 5? All right, then we'll go to Matt.
Matt, please pick a number.
6.
Fuck, he took my number.
Because he's in the lead.
6.
6, and what other one?
2.
Yes. All right.
62.
Who's next, right? We'll go to Brian.
Yeah, Brian's also tied.
I will go 3 and 9.
Well, 3's already picked. 3 is already
Oh.
picked.
Okay, you know what? I'll go 7 and 9.
And Andrew?
What numbers are left?
1, 4, or 8.
Oh, I'll take 8.
And Linus, 1 or 4.
I'll take 4.
All right.
And our secret category is number 1.
And it is number 9.
Number 9 is
You
Brian.
get to pick of the litter.
Brian.
Be nice.
All right,
All
Brian.
right,
choose
so-
wisely.
Muppet movie.
Categories tonight are. Give me a second.
Oscars, Arnie and Sly, based on TV, movies about aliens, animal movies,
Animal.
controversial films, and the
Muppet
secret
movies.
category. If you choose the secret category, each answer is worth 2 points.
Oh shit! Do I get to know what the secret category is?
No.
Pick it. You
You not.
Fuck. You know what? Let's go alien movies.
Alien movies it is.
Muppets from space.
All right.
No,
Please don't
there's no
mention that
there's no
bottle.
questions about Muppets in this category. Shut the fuck up, Linus.
I beg to differ. I beg to differ.
What?
Aliens are Muppets.
Oh,
Oh,
Yoda's a Muppet.
There is.
God damn
Yoda's
it.
a Muppet.
Question 1. In movies about aliens, who played the title role in 1988? My Stepmother is an Alien.
Excuse me, what is that movie?
Oh.
What?
Who played the title
Excuse me?
role? Who played the title role in 1988? My Stepmother is an Alien.
I'm taking a complete guess.
I actually love this movie so much because it's the stupidest fucking movie ever made. I love this movie so much.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down. And let's go with Aaron.
I have no clue.
That is
Andrew.
incorrect.
Okay, I imagine.
I took a wild guess and said Winona Ryder.
No.
Okay.
Oh, it'll be interesting.
It's a decent guess.
Eli.
Ryan.
Kim Basinger.
Correct.
I love
Linus.
this movie.
Instead of an answer, I got out my Fozzie puppet.
Damn it, Linus, it is.
My second choice, but I went with my gut and said Daryl Hannah.
Oh, close. Really close.
I love that movie. I love that movie so much. It is bad. It is a really bad movie. But yet,
Yes, that is a porg, Aaron.
Oh my god, that was fast. They already have those in stores?
Yeah, they've had for months.
Mark owns them all.
Yes, I do. Love my porgs.
All right.
Master porgs.
Question number 2. Eric Bana plays what type of alien in 2009 Star Trek?
Can you repeat that?
Oh.
Eric Bana plays what type of alien in 2009 Star Trek?
Was more of a Star Wars fan growing up. Mark, how about you?
Oh,
Yes.
need to ask.
Although, if they put porgs in Star Trek, I think he'd be all over that.
Hey, I like the new Star Trek movies, and I like the old stuff with William Shatner, though. So, 5,
I like
Why
the TV
does God
shows
need a
of
spaceship?
Star Trek.
3, 2, 1. Don't get me wrong. I love Patrick Stewart stuff he's done in the last 15 years. That guy's
Okay, I think I...
markers down. Aaron,
Romulan?
that is correct.
Fuck, yeah.
Andrew,
I put a Klingon. I had no clue.
that was the second movie.
All right.
Brian,
Brian.
I got Romulan.
good job.
Correct. Linus.
Said Klingon. Well, I don't know Star Trek. What do you think?
It's always one of those two. One of those two. And Matt.
I got Romulan.
All right. Right on.
All I could think of was his name. I couldn't think of the race for the longest.
I don't know what a Romulan is, so.
It's a creature from Star Trek played by Eric Bana one time.
Thanks.
Question number 3. What comedic actor who appeared in the MCU starred in 2000s? What planet are you from?
Can you repeat the question? I didn't catch the end there.
What comedic actor who appeared in the MCU, Marvel Cinematic Universe, starred in 2000s? What planet are you from?
Oh shit.
Comedic actor.
This is a cruel question.
It really is.
It really is.
Wait, can you repeat?
Yes, I
We gotta
can.
repeat. We gotta repeat.
Yep. What comedic actor who appeared in the MCU starred in 2000s? What planet are you from?
Oh fuck.
About the questions can be directed at Jeremy the Adam Adams.
Oh, he'll
Throwing my friend under the bus.
I've never heard of this film.
Hey, blame Brian. He's the one that chose the category.
No,
Yeah,
it's,
Brian.
no, it. I give good category picking, Ryan. There's
Like,
a
I
chance.
choose a category that I do, like Oscars.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down. Let's go with Aaron.
Okay, the reason I asked for the repeat is because, right, Gary Shandling.
That is correct.
That's correct.
I knew the movie. I was just like, he had like one scene in a movie. That's why I was trying to think.
Well, he
In 2.
He was in 2.
the main character.
He was in 2.
It's a supporting character, sorry. and then he was in Civil War.
No, that's why I wanted to hear the wording of the question. That's why I was like,
Yeah.
I put
bad question.
I put Paul Rudd.
Nope. B. Brian Blair.
Brian.
Come on.
I too had Gary Shandling.
Good job.
Jeez.
And
Linus.
I said Jeff Goldblum. I mean, that sounds like a movie he'd be in.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's
I'll give you
that's
that.
actually a really good guess.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Yeah, that actually sounds like Jeff Goldblum was in Cats and Dogs around that same time. So
Very
yeah,
solid. Good answer there. Good answer, Matt. Yeah.
May he rest in
RIP,
peace.
that is correct.
I didn't. When did he pass away? I didn't know that.
I think last year.
This year.
Holy shit!
Yeah.
Your last question.
Oh wow! I didn't know.
Your last question in the category of movies with aliens
My favorite category.
is what alien creature is known as Experiment 626?
You looking for the name?
Yes.
Yes.
Andrew's not happy about this one.
No,
If I
I am
spell
very
that
happy
right.
about this one. I know this.
What alien, to repeat, what alien character is also known as Experiment 626?
If anybody does the voice for this, I will love you for the rest of my life.
Wait, you're
If you can
I'm
actually fucking do it.
Cut off after
We're expecting you to.
5,
You need to
4,
repeat.
Yeah, I need to repeat after experiment. That part cut off.
Repeat. We need to
What
repeat.
alien character is also known as Experiment 626?
Okay.
Quiet, Brian. Don't give
I'm
it
not
away.
doing anything, bro. I'm just
Someone's making an impression.
I'm
5,
just fucking laughing, you son of a bitch.
3, 2, 1. Markers down.
Stitch.
Correct.
Correct.
Andrew.
Andrew.
This is a Disney movie. Stitch.
Yep.
That it is. Brian.
Eli.
Ohana means family. Family means friends. Stitch.
Damn, man.
This was fun, guys. I don't know. I don't want.
What
I'm
the
not a
fuck,
Lilo and
dude?
Stitch fan. I'm not a Lilo and Stitch fan. I've seen the movie once.
All right, and
Stitch
Matt.
scared me, so it was silent. I'm not going back to those traumas.
Okay, sorry, Mac. Go
I
ahead.
didn't get it.
Okay.
I-
So,
Okay.
give us a score check after round 2.
After round 2,
9,
Right.
6, 4.
I hate saying this, but in the lead is B. Brian Blair with 11 points. Followed behind with 10
Wow.
points. Aaron. Matt has 9 points. Andrew has 8 points. Linus with 3.
Why?
All right. Well, Drew, Linus, you guys put up a valiant effort, but you guys are eliminated.
Oh well.
You guys are.
Shit.
Andrew's not happy. You guys are welcome to stay and watch the rest of the match. We thank you for playing, and you will keep all your points for your standings.
Ooh, my 3 points.
And unfortunately, now, these points here, this score, nothing. Shoot to your
Doesn't matter.
All right, I'm gonna.
We got
hop out,
round
but
3,
this was
which
fun,
is
guys.
shoot till you miss.
Shoot to kill. Shoot to kill.
You're out. Everyone hits it or everyone misses. We keep
Yeah, Linus.
going until one player is left standing.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Am I still in?
Yes, you
Yeah,
are.
you're still in. You're still in.
Okay, cool.
So Aaron, Brian, and Matt, it's a 3-man race. Let's see who comes out on top. Question in round 3. Question 1. In the category of recent releases,
Okay.
17 film has the characters James Conrad, Mason Weaver, and Hank Marlowe.
Missed the second name there.
Do you have the round 3, Mark?
No, I don't. I've only got 1s and 2s.
I'll repeat it again. What 2017 film has the characters James Conrad and Hank Marlowe?
Oh my god.
I'm not even gonna say what this sounds like. That's kind of like Call of Duty.
Five, four, 3, 2, 1. Markers down. Aaron.
All right, Aaron.
Is it Kong?
That is correct. It is Kong.
Andrew.
One of them is John C. Reilly, right?
No, Andy's out. Andy's out. It's Brian.
Yeah, Brian, my bad.
Kong Skull Island.
And Matt, do you have it?
Matt?
No, I didn't have it.
Good, really good performance, though, I'd say. Good performance.
Yeah, really solid debut, man. We hope to see you back. Thank you for playing, and you're welcome to stay and watch, see who comes out on top.
I see.
One of them was John C. Reilly, right?
Yep, John C. Reilly.
Yeah, with John C. Reilly, Tom Hiddleston. I don't remember who the third one is.
Yeah.
All right, question 2 in the category of comedy. In 2009's Funny People, the characters go to a benefit for what defunct social media site?
Oh shit!
I want to see they actually pull this one. I wouldn't be shocked, but I'd find it kind of funny. Did you use this site, Mark?
I'm not sure. 4, 3.
Repeat the question. Repeat the question. Repeat the question.
Okay. In 2009's Funny People, the characters go to a benefit for what defunct social media site?
Defunct.
It's just because I forget what media site it is. There's like 15 of them that are gone.
Oh yeah, like social media is a motherfucker, man.
Why can't Twitter disappear? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down. Let's go with Aaron.
Aaron.
Is it MySpace?
That's correct. Brian, did you
Pulled
pull
it
it
out. I pulled it out last second. MySpace.
Literally the
Correct.
only one I can think of.
Fucking A, man.
Believe it or not, I was thinking Friendster.
Oh my god.
Friendster is. I'm too young.
No one used Friendster.
I used it. I used Friendster before. I used
Friendster.
Moving on. Question 3. In the category of indies,
Oh shit.
name 2 of the 3 movies in Richard Linklater's Before series. And we will give you extra time on this one.
And so, 5, 4.
Wait, what? What? No, I'll give him a little time.
I know. I'm just fucking with them.
Yeah, I'm just like, name 2 movies within a period of 7 seconds.
And you said with before, like in the.
I'll repeat the question. Name 2 of the 3 movies in Richard Linklater's Before series.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down. Aaron.
I only wrote 2, but I know that they're before sunrise, before sunset, and before midnight.
That's correct.
Brian.
And say it. What'd you write?
His mic's acting up. Hold the paper up again.
Okay. Before sunrise, before midnight, before sunset.
You're correct.
I only asked for 2, but yeah, those are correct.
We're just both soppy romantics.
This is going back and forth right now. Holy fuck, dude.
Well, we're gonna keep going until one is left standing.
Yep.
Question 4 in the category of taglines.
Oh shit.
What spider theme film has the tagline 8 legs, 2 fangs, and an attitude?
Oh! Oh my god. Okay, repeat it one more time. Repeat it one more time.
Yeah. What spider-themed film has the tagline 8 legs, 2 fangs, and an attitude?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Markers down.
All right.
Aaron.
Is it 8-legged freaks?
No, baby. It is arachnophobia.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, the Joker, Brian Fernandez.
Damn it!
And they mentioned this in the fucking Schmodown, baby. They mentioned it in the Schmodown.
Which one?
Brian, you just won your first match at Full Metal Trivia. How do you feel?
I fucking redeemed myself. I redeemed myself. That horror match was a loss that I will remember always, but this one will always be a fucking match that I will always remember as well. And I will always remember this last goddamn question. It is not 8-legged freaks. 8-legged freaks had a different one. This one was arachnophobia. Ron. Come at me, bro.
I saw the correct spider.
Oh,
I'm so sorry.
I think he.
All right, well, we can talk shit to Aaron later, but Mark, got any words before we cut out?
Wow, that final round went on for a good amount of time. You guys each knew your stuff. No one got it wrong. Really, I don't think there was a wrong answer. Congratulations. And unfortunately, Brian tonight was the one to rule them all.
Unfortunately, he's correct. So from me, from all my crew here at Full Metal Trivia, from all our contestants, we want to say thank you for joining us. Like, subscribe to Full Metal Trivia, join the Facebook page. And saying thank you and goodbye.